Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Former Orlando Pirates winger Mohaou Nkotha, who's currently at Saudi Pro League side Al Ettifaq, is reportedly attracting interest from SL Benfica, the Portuguese giant. Mohaou Nkotha is the kind of profile that Jose Mourinho wants to bring to the club. However, his agency hasn't confirmed a move, but has indicated that a transfer is possible. And remember, we were told that Nkotha would probably go to SL Benfica on a loan for his development, but his agency says that it will possibly be a permanent deal rather than a loan deal. So it seems like his time at Al Ettifaq is coming to an end. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Nkotha moving from Al Ettifaq to Benfica? Do you think that this is a step up in his career? And remember, he said that it's always been his dream to play in Europe, so he's getting a chance to play for one of the biggest clubs in Europe. And in other news, Algerian journalist Nazim Bessol has confirmed that Rhulani Mokoena was detained and received a 2-month suspended prison sentence after being found guilty of attempting to take a foreign currency out of the country. Mokoena had parted ways with MC Alger over the weekend after agreeing to take over the Libyan giants Al Ittihad. However, when he attempted to leave Algeria, he was detained at the Haouri Boumadine airport on Sunday after being found with too much cash, as the North African country has strict laws regarding taking currency outside the country. So here is what the journalist says. He says Mokoena was detained after being found with $15,000 in cash. In Algeria, you can't travel with more than 7,500. But what I know is he's now being released and is awaiting to depart for Libya via Turkey. We have just received an update from court that Mokoena was prosecuted and he has been fined and also handed a 2-month suspended sentence after found guilty. And now that Mokoena has been cleared, he is on his way to be unveiled by the 18-time league champions based in Tripoli, Al Ittihad, after agreeing a 2-year deal with an option to extend for another year to lead a new ambitious project. Remember, Mokoena will reunite with Thembinkosi Lorch as well as Stephane Aziz Ki, as both players were signed by him at Wydad Athletic, and he will also be joined by coach Snetemba Badela and Wendell Robinson, as well as performance analyst Sbu Makitla and Thabiso Moshani. Those are people who will be part of his backroom staff. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this news today? That's the end of the news. See you next time.